Michelle and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be trying out this new palette that I recently got from BoxyCharm, and this is the PUR Festival 2.0 palette. Here is how it looks within, if you can see that. Oh no, my black one fell out. Oh my gosh, it landed in my, oh my gosh, that was really terrible, and it seemed like a promising black shimmer, but yeah, they must be really, I don't know, this wasn't a product that I dropped or anything. I actually had it on my makeup counter to use, you know, to put aside and use for a new video. It didn't, you know, it appeared to have some, when I first opened it, it seemed to have some powder here, but I didn't think anything of it. I really don't like to see any product wasted, especially when I, you know, put my hard-earned dollars to it. Yeah, I'm a little shook by what just occurred. Wow. I believe I got this also from BoxyCharm. Is the MODA PRO by Real and Langnickel. This is their 5-piece eye set, which has a shade, a crease, a detail, a smudge, and a line, which I'm thrilled about. I do like the MODA brand. I want to say I love the way these feel. They have like a raised, you see that? They have like a raised feel to them. These like bumps. So they're easy to grip. They do have some weight to them. They feel lovely. But if you're someone that's not into having anything rough on your handles, that you like it nice and smooth, the bumps creep you out, then this may not be for you. But I find it just makes the brushes easier to grip and handle. And I'm loving that I got one of these. They feel fluffy. And the ones that have to have a firmer tip in order to apply, to give yourself a certain finish, they're firm where they need to be and soft where they need to be. This is the crease brush. Very fluffy, you noticed? And I'm going to use this to apply this lovely palette. I'm going to go in first, since it's not really a base as far as, you know, I'm just going to go in and use this lovely color here. What do you think? Should I use? What should I use? Maybe Dreamland? Why not? Oh, it's very soft. I barely touched it and already it's, look at that. Pigmentation's there, so I'm just gonna go in and start applying right here. And it blends in very nicely. You know, I don't have to pull and tug on my skin. It's a very delicate skin area. Feels nice. I don't know why, but it has a bit of a vanilla scent to it. But it's very light. But again, you do not need to dig into the pan. Just a light tap will do. This is the shade brush. Okay. So, what should I go in and apply with? I'm really loving this shade right here. Turn It Up. And again, the same issue. It's very, very soft. So, with a light hand. And look at that. You see? It's already like... Now this is the detail brush. I don't know if you could see that real well, but that's what it looks like. It has like a kind of weird, almost square top, but not. And this is the detail. This goes into the corners of the eye. So I'm thinking of either putting this color, which is called EUPHORIC, or Pure Bliss. I think EUPHORIC might be the winner here. That's weird. I see it moving in the pan, but it seems to be a little more packed. But I'm gonna try this in here and see what it does. It's not, that's frustrating, because they seem to be soft, but for some reason these are tough and they're packed in there. So I have to do this with my finger, which I'm not thrilled about, but we'll do. So if you're going to use a specific brush, which they say this is specifically to put corner highlights in your eye, and it doesn't work, it's either the tool, you, or the product. I know how to put this stuff here. That, to me, I'm not the issue. The brush, it's a decent brand. So is it the product that it's so hard in the pan? You know, do I need to add a liquid in order to put this on? I don't know. So I had to apply some in my eye and then go back with this brush to emphasize the corner. I'm not really thrilled with, you know, I see it that it seems to be moving around in here, but it's not really applying on the brush, see? And then when I use my fingers, that's when it comes off, and even then I have to press just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna try this blue one. It's called Electric. It's this bottom one down here. I don't know if it's the same style. It also appears to be moving around in the pan. This one's coming out though. This one comes out. And it seems like it's gonna be a lot, but I'm gonna see what it does. Okay. This is the shimmer. This is not the flat out glitter one. So this is a different texture and a different finish and a different way to apply. Wow. Okay, that's pretty intense. I think this light purple is the same way. And this purple is called Fantasy World. I'm just trying to apply it above the eye, just to get a sense. Let's see. Blend it out a bit. It's pretty. What do you think? No, it's nice. It really is. It's pretty. I'm just not feeling that these two formulaic ones are just not working. This brush is the smudger, and this is more square shape, a little more compact, a little firmer. I would like to put this underneath this beautiful purple one. What do you think? This one comes off fairly readily. Try Utopia with the shade brush to see if it does anything, but I have a feeling it's that same kind of funky formula that, oh, actually this actually seems to come off a bit more, which is nice. You see that? I'll show you something here. I took this off and then I went like this, right? And then it almost came off the brush. That's weird. Okay. I'll put this dead center. Oh, Eureka, finally something interesting. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. So I would definitely see this for like a night look. That's really pretty. That's pretty. Other eye, I'm going to do a different color. I'm going to go in with Vibes, which is this color right here. It looks like it's made with the similar consistency of Utopia and Electric. So we'll see. Yeah, this actually, but you can't fling it too much because then it won't stay on the brush, which is really odd. So I'm going to put this dead center. See what it does. This is a really pretty shimmery coppery look that I kind of, I'm living for it. It's almost like a soft shimmer. Look at that. So different from that side, right? Wow, that's definitely different. Right? Smudge under with, I wonder. I'm gonna try the, oof. Should I try on set or INSTA-WORTHY? On set or INSTA-WORTHY? Try on set, why not? No, INSTA-WORTHY, right? Yep, that's what I picked. That's the color there. Oof, again, I'm gonna try this one. This is on set. I feel really bad because I'm gonna have to use the brown now to be my my deepening agent, as far as, you know, making things look more dramatic, because I don't officially have a black anymore. That is intense, intense, intense. Wow. Wow. I'm wondering if I should go in with more of this color. Which color did I have before? Oh yeah, this one. And just apply it to the lower eye some more. And here is my completed look. So I have two different looks on two different eyes. What do you guys think of the PUR Festival 2.0 Eye Pressed Pigment, not eyeshadow, Pressed Pigment Palette? This palette costs $36 US, and you can get it on their website. This was a recent selection in for BoxyCharm, I believe the base box. And I'm looking at it, the shades are promising. Definitely a nightclub vibe, festival vibe, definitely. Festival 2.0, the name fits. A couple of the colors were interesting. One was unsalvageable. And I have to say the pigmentation, the color, because it's pressed pigment, is going to be much brighter, much deeper, much more pronounced. It was, it blended rather easily, it did. It didn't seem to muddle as much, as you could see. It's not as muddied. I can see the difference between the four shades that were put here, as well as the several that were put here. The highlight function, of what I use as a highlight, that particular formulation just didn't work for me, and it comes in the shades Euphoric and Pure Bliss, which are these two right here. They look promising in the pan, but when you put them on, they just don't do anything. Not with a regular brush. You can use your finger, but then it's not going to be a specific application, and it might be a little messy. At least for me it was. These particular ones held more promise. These right here seem to be less compact as these. They came out a bit more easily. I was able to blend them, and they gave a fantastic sheer. That color is the highlight of the entire palette, along with this one coming a close second. And those two shades are, if you can find them in the palette, you may be better off. This is Utopia down here, and this is Vibes. So Utopia and Vibes are the standout selections here as far as color tone. The blue one, which was called Electric, held some promise. It has a little right there, but it didn't blow me away as much as those other two. So out of the entire palette, the rest you could probably find in other palettes, but those two particular ones, they are gorgeous. I'll list the rest of the products that I use to make up this look for my skin and all that. I will put it in the description box below for your own perusal. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section below what you think of the PUR Festival 2.0 Pressed Pigments palette. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Don't forget to hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video adventure. Take care. Bye.